It's a new $64 million addition to the Geisinger Medical Center campus. A ribbon-cutting ceremony was held this morning for the 5-floor, 162,000 square feet laboratory medicine building. President and CEO Dr. David Feinberg was joined by a host of health system officials for the big moment this morning, including his predecessor, Dr. Glenn Steele Jr. An open house with tours followed the ribbon cutting. Staff actually began moving in here in late July and early August, and the move continues to this day. We found some of the 400 staff members already hard at work amongst the impressive lab equipment. The building features 4 laboratory medicine levels, with a lower level devoted to Geisinger's food service department. It provides space for growth, expanding Geisinger's laboratory medicine's clinical research and teaching programs. It's also conveniently located by GMC's Hospital for Advanced Medicine and parking garage, with connections to both. The health system's chairman of laboratory medicine came to Geisinger 34 years ago and began hearing about a new lab building back then. The long wait moved many labs that were spread across the medical center into one building.
We can have a large open space laboratory and bring together multiple lines of automation into a more efficient configuration. We can bring people together in a way that they can interact comfortably, easily, and save a lot of time. Much better communication.
It's a core asset for Geisinger. You can't do great patient care unless you have an extraordinarily efficient laboratory facility. And again, what Conrad has done over the last 30 years, with his assets spread all over the system, is amazing. But what he will be able to do now that he's got this central facility is going to really improve patient care dramatically.
Ground was broken on the laboratory medicine building in March of 2013. It provides enhanced laboratory testing, education and research areas, as well as staff and employee offices, meeting rooms and support areas. It also ties in with the miles of pathways for the pneumatic tube system that was already sending medical materials throughout GMC. The one installed in the new building uses SmartPath technology to greatly reduce turnaround time for delivering specimens to other parts of the lab.